My wife brought back a bunch of plants from her walk. Now I have to figure out how to keep these guys alive. So sometimes you have to be resourceful. Old soap containers. Trash. Hopefully soon to be a planter. Now I have to go make some dirt and get them planted. Well, I'm not a plantologist, but hopefully this works and we'll be able to get them propagated and then planted on the property as we slowly build a little family compound. If you want to follow along, feel free to, and like, etc. But hopefully there'll be more adventures coming up. See you then.